Oh, if you haven't dived into the tumultuous and intoxicating world of The Brothers Karamazov by Dostoevsky, you're in for a real treat. Imagine a family drama so complex, with layers of philosophical musing so thick that you could spread them on a slice of toast for a hearty breakfast. This novel, set in 19th century Russia, juggles themes of faith, doubt, free will, and morality with the skill of a circus performer, and it's all wrapped around the lives of the Karamazov family. At the heart of the story, we have the Karamazov showdown featuring the patriarch, Fyodor Pavlovich, and his three sons, Dmitry, Ivan, and Alyosha. Oh, and let's not forget the possible fourth brother, Smerdyakov, who sort of lurks in the background, adding a dash of mystery and speculation to the mix. Fyodor is a bit of a mess, to put it mildly. He's a sensualist with little to no concern for his sons, leading to a family dynamic that's more tangled than a bowl of spaghetti. Dmitry is the passionate one, with a temper as fiery as his heart, often found at odds with his father over money, and over their shared infatuation with the captivating Grushenka. Then there's Ivan, the intellectual, who finds himself wrestling with philosophical and theological dilemmas, especially the existence of God in a world filled with suffering. And sweet Alyosha, the youngest, is like a breath of fresh air, with his spiritual purity and dedication to the monk, Father Zosima. Alyosha serves as a moral compass in a world teeming with confusion and moral ambiguity. Amidst this family saga, there's a crime, the murder of Fyodor Pavlovich. This event thrusts the brothers into a whirlwind of suspicion, existential quandaries, and a quest for truth, both personal and universal. As the investigation unfolds, the inner lives of each brother are laid bare, providing a rich tapestry of themes and ideas for us to ponder. Delving deeper into the narrative, it's clear that Dostoevsky wasn't just telling a story. He was asking some of life's most profound questions. Can one have faith in a world so steeped in suffering? Is there such a thing as absolute freedom? And how do our choices tie into the larger tapestry of fate and morality? Through the characters' struggles, we're invited to explore these questions, guided by Dostoevsky's masterful hand. But what makes The Brothers Karamazov such a delightful roller coaster isn't just its philosophical depth. It's the way Dostoevsky paints each scene with a mix of tragedy and comedy, despair and hope, making the characters feel incredibly real and relatable. Even as they grapple with heavy existential themes, there's a light-hearted camaraderie among them, moments of sheer absurdity, and instances of deep human compassion that make you laugh, cry, and reflect, all at the same time. In essence, The Brothers Karamazov is a buffet of human experience, offering up a little bit of everything: love, hatred, faith, betrayal, and redemption. Dostoevsky invites us to sit at the table, pick up our forks, and delve into the messy, glorious feast of life. And by the time you're done, you might find yourself a bit fuller, philosophically at least. So buckle up, pour yourself a cup of tea or vodka if you want to keep it Russian, and prepare for a ride through the profound, tumultuous, and endlessly fascinating world of the Karamazov family. Trust me, it's a family reunion you won't soon forget. Was this video helpful to you? Let me know by smashing the subscribe button so I can hit my goal of reaching my first 1,000 subscribers. This has been another Bookly Crash Course. Please check out the channel for the full book summary playlist and many more amazing book summary videos.